composers, and welcome to the Composing Cook. Today's recipe is my Chorizo and Camembert baked penne pasta.
Yay! Yes. You remembered it.
I remembered it.
That was a lot of words in a sentence.
It is a lot of words, and it's a tongue twister as well.
Yeah.
All right, to begin with, what I have here is my penne pasta. All right, there's 300 grams in there, which I have cooked off in some boiling water, drained the water, and obviously put the pasta back in the dish that I cooked them in. Okay, so that's 300 grams penne pasta, ready to go. What I have here is a carton of ricotta cheese, and that's a 250 gram carton. That's gonna go in, just like that. Okay, did you see that? Did you capture that moment?
Yeah.
All right, and I'm also gonna add 2 teaspoons whole grain mustard. That's gonna go in as well.
We're getting a different view now.
Oh, that's a bit
I thought it'd be controversial, yeah.
All you have to do is mix this in like that. Nice. Gonna add some pepper to that. There we go. Okay. I've got here 1 chorizo sausage ring, which weighed about 200 grams. If your ring weighs about 250 grams, that's absolutely fine, not a problem. Just cut it all up. And I've also got 4 spring onions, which I have roughly chopped, and half a teaspoon salt. So that's all gonna go in as well.
Give it a Michael.
Mix. Just like that. And the camembert, I've got here 250 grams camembert. They normally come in one of these things, and they're all about the same size, 250 grams. If yours is 200, it's fine, don't worry about it. Don't go buy an extra 50 grams for the sake of it. Just use whatever you get in your container. But this one's 250 grams. That goes in as well. Throw it in. Oh, and you can see that I chopped it up. Can you see how I chopped it up roughly into squares?
Cubed it.
Cubed it. Gonna mix that in. So that's all nicely mixed.
You're right.
I've got my nice oven dish here. Okay. All you have to do is put that in here.
And what have you preheated the oven to?
I'll get to that.
Oh, just thought I'd help
God,
you.
talk about jump the gun. Do you know what I mean?
I just thought I'd help you.
The oven is preheated at 180 degrees. If mine is a fan assisted, if yours isn't, about 200. This now needs to go in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until the top is goldeny, browny, it starts to catch, okay? Don't burn it though.
No. And now's a great time to do.
Oh yes, well done. My fellow composers, don't forget, if you're enjoying my videos, to like, subscribe, and press that bell notification button. Ping! And don't forget, all the recipes I do, all the ingredients are listed down below in the description section. Oh! In the description section, so they're all listed down there for you. I've tried to make it as easy for you as possible. So get on with it and subscribe now. Yes, I can see that going up. I can see them all going up. Oh my God, how many subscriptions in like 2 seconds? Wow.
Right, we'll come back, shall we?
Yeah, we'll come back. There we go, look at that. Take it all in. Let's serve it up, shall we? See what this looks like. There we go. Let's try it. So there you have it. My blah, 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 blah too much of a tongue twister. Make it, enjoy it, and you will love it. Mwah!